Carnage. Awaken. Alright y'all, so today we're going to be talking about the 5 cheap aesthetic mods that you could do under $50. Let's get into it. So the first thing you got is the SS license plate. There you go. It matches SS. I'm gonna have a link for all this stuff in the description. So the next thing you got is the little tire stems. It says SS. Get in the car. Next thing we got, don't mind the little crowns, got a vacuum, but I got these SS cup holder cups. They light up when you set things on them. I don't have anything, unfortunately, to show you. Then we got this carbon fiber piece. I bought this. I was gonna get the same one to match the dash, but I got this one right now. I want to see how it looks, but it actually looks pretty good. I got it for the cigarette lighter also. See what else we got for you boys. What else got? Yeah. I did say 5, didn't I? I'll be right back actually. So these are the tints for the side reflectors. Yes, the reflectors. Yep. So yeah, these are the 5 mods that you can do for your SS Camaro under $50. Aesthetic wise. I'm out.